Friends, in case you are also one of those people who are looking for a transformation in your life, if you also are keen to lead a life of happiness, joys, fulfillment, success, if you also want to bring about a huge transformation in your life, I'm just touching my cheeks because I'm walking through this beautiful, nice, untouched, almost untouched greenery, and I could feel some, light little whiffs of a spider. Now that means that I'm in the lap of nature. That's all. So if you also are looking for moments of extreme joys, if you also want to discover the seed of greatness within you, do talk to me. Because one-to-one coaching is something which I think God has given a seed of, and God has implanted this seed within me, and you just have to experience it. I'm not bragging, I'm just saying with all the humility, because you are going to feel this transformation in your life. And let's have a small demo. So right at this moment, take a pause. Wherever you are, just sit in silence or stand in silence. Take 3 deep breathings. Smile. Exhale. Smile. Exhale. Smile. Exhale. And now you think about your life. If you feel you are not happy for some reason, which might be the case in case of 99% of people, believe me, 99% of people have got something which they are not happy with. And the solution is very simple. The simplest solution, if I can say this in short, to talk to me. The long answer would be to take some actions. I'm going to talk about one action right now. So what you do is that just take a recorder, audio recorder, or maybe you can switch on the audio recorder of your cell phone and say about your current situation for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Just talk about your current feelings, current thoughts, what is that which is making you unhappy, what kind of things you are seeing in your life. Just talk about some things which you are not happy with. Describe your current situation. You might be working in corporate, you might be having your own organization, you might be in the field of health, fitness, you might be teaching in a school, you might be in any field. Just think about your life. Think about the challenges and say this aloud so that it can be recorded. In a normal voice tone is good. And then you sit in silence, take a pause for a few seconds, take a deep breath in, come to the moment, and then play this audio while keeping your eyes closed and just listen to the words. And if you pay attention to the words which you have just said, you will find that most of the keywords from the statement which you have made are some negative words, are having some negative connotation. For example, you may talk about words like ego of others, frustration, unhappiness, feeling negative, feeling powerless, sadness, people who are not appreciating you. You will take a notice of the fact that you will note it down very, very clearly that some of these keywords are not very positive keywords. The second thing which you're going to take a notice of is you would be mostly talking about the rest of the world, but not about you. You might be talking about the rest of the world, how this world is not making you happy. You might be talking about people from your neighborhood, people from your family as well at times. You might be talking about some of the members of society. You might be talking about your colleagues, your manager, but you might be surely talking more about the rest of the world, and you might be talking very less about yourself, because we all are lost in the negativity which is being created by the world around us. We do not take the journey within. We do not appreciate the simple fact that once we know ourselves better, once we know our priorities, our goals, our vision, our purpose, our strengths, once we start focusing on what truly matters to us, this negativity which we can see around us will start vanishing. This is magic and this is pure logic. You just have to experience it. So just pay attention to the words which you have said. You'll find many words which are not really positive, which do not have positive connotation, you will start realizing that so far you have been thinking of the rest of the people as why they are doing something which is not making you happy, and you are not thinking about your life. Now it's time for you to press the reset button and think about your life. So do feel free to talk to me if you feel like, and I think you must talk. We can have a group session as well where we can have a session among hundreds of people. If you know a group where people are looking for some changes, talk to me, and we shall conduct a session over the weekend. But taking a pause, take a deep breath in and decide to do this little exercise today, now, because you know the power lies in now, in this moment. Take care. Bye bye. See you. And stay happy and delighted. Look at this beautiful view. Nature is always beautiful. So let me show you this place around a bit.